Hello, this is Kara coming to you from the Hiddenite Center's Educational Complex. So we have tons of stuff going on here at the Hiddenite Center, like always, and I think you guys already know about some of our basics. Line dancing on Mondays, we've got pottery Tuesdays, or Mondays, Tuesdays, and Wednesdays, and we also have Jam, our junior Appalachian musicians, on Tuesdays. Now, I know I say it all the time, but it's important to remember, these things, there's no experience required. So if you're thinking that you might want to try something new, this is a great opportunity for you. Now, also coming up, we've got our Summer on the Square concert series. Coming in July, we have Shakedown Band, one of our Taylorsville favorites, and then in August, we have the Night Move Band. Also coming up in July, our photography class with Sarah Loudermilk. Now, this isn't cell phone photography. This is using your real camera, if we still have one of those laying around. All you need for this course is a DSLR camera, and it's great for anybody, especially with kiddos or people that like to photograph landscapes. She'll show you all of the things about your camera that you didn't even realize that it could do. It's more than just pointing and shooting. So we would love to have you guys come out. Looking ahead, we are already in the planning for our Hiddenite Celebration of the Arts. This will be our 44th year, and if you are interested in being a vendor, head on over to our website or stop in at the Lucas Mansion and we'll get you registered for that. Otherwise, just put it on your calendars. We're going to have tons of vendors, tons of food, tons of heritage. It's going to be a great time. Also during celebration, we're going to be reopening our second floor of the Lucas Mansion. If you've been following along, you know that that area has been undergoing renovations. So we're excited to reopen that gallery space and let you guys see what we've been working on.